Hi and welcome to Digital Tech Reviews and Tips. Today in this video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the new iPhone 11 Pro from Apple. However, this is no ordinary unboxing video, as I also took the time to film this entire video on another iPhone 11 Pro. You know, this year with Apple making quite a big deal about the phone's triple camera setup, I decided why not test it out while also showing people what comes in the box with the new flagship iPhone. So sit back, relax, and prepare yourself for an iPhoneception filled video. As you can see here, I am unboxing the gold 256GB model. However, all the models of the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max come identical to each other except for the color of the phone on the box. Let's get into the unboxing. Now, as this is the first iPhone model which Apple has given the Pro moniker, they also went ahead and changed up the color of the box, going with an all black look, which is a bit more professional than the traditional white color. Opening up the box, the first thing we're going to be greeted with is, of course, the iPhone 11 Pro and its signature triple camera setup. Setting that aside until later, we'll take a look at what else Apple includes in the box. First off, of course, it is your little pamphlet of materials with SIM ejector tool and those infamous Apple stickers. Next in the box, you'll get the new USB-C 18-watt fast charger, which can charge an iPhone to about 50% in 30 minutes. Second in the box is Apple's trademark white earbuds, though these come with a lightning adapter instead of the usual 3.5mm jack. And finally, we'll get that new USB-C to lightning cable, able to charge your phone at a faster rate and plug into the new USB-C type ports. Now that is actually it for what you get with the new iPhone 11 Pro. Apple is including essentially the same basic accessories in the box as all of their previous iPhone models, with the exception being the new 18-watt fast charger and USB-C to lightning cable. Hold on, wait, what is that sound? Is that a choir of angels?
Remove the screen protector. Set the beauty of the iPhone free.
Oh, wow. Thank you, magical being. That was oddly reminiscent of the Sistine Chapel and Michelangelo's painting of the Hands of God. Anyways, I'm getting a bit sidetracked here. Right out of the box, the new iPhone 11 Pro both looks and performs great. The new triple camera setup, with its 13, 26, and 52mm focal length options, was pretty useful to have while filming this video, though I personally didn't see too much of a difference in image quality from the iPhone XS. However, since this video was shot on an iPhone 11 Pro, you can really decide that for yourself. But as that brings us to the end of our unboxing, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please consider leaving a comment, saying hi, checking out my other videos, or possibly even subscribing. A shout out to friend and fellow YouTuber Stetson Doggett for lending his hands in this video. And before we get to the end of this dolly out shot, I would of course like to say thank you again for watching this video, and as always, have a nice day. Peace out. Bye.